Welcome, health enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the world of healthy living with our exciting YouTube channel. Today we have something truly special in store for you. In this video, we'll be delving into the fascinating topic of stevia, a natural alternative to sugar. Are you tired of consuming harmful sugars that wreak havoc on your health? Well, say goodbye to those unhealthy cravings because we're about to introduce you to an incredible natural solution, stevia. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the truth about this natural sweetener that boasts 0 calories, 0 guilt, and 0 negative side effects. As we take you on this journey, we'll explore its amazing health benefits, its versatility in recipes, and how it can revolutionize your daily routine. You won't believe the wealth of information and inspiration we have in store for you. From debunking myths to sharing expert tips and tricks, we'll leave no stone unturned in our quest to educate and empower. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. Introduction to stevia. As the demand for healthier food options continues to grow, stevia has emerged as a natural alternative to sugar. But what exactly is stevia, and how is it different from traditional sugar? Stevia is a plant-based sweetener that is derived from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant. Unlike sugar, which is processed and refined, stevia is a natural sweetener that contains 0 calories and does not raise blood sugar levels. This makes it an attractive option for those looking to reduce their sugar intake or manage conditions like diabetes. What is stevia and how is it different from sugar? Stevia is a small herbaceous plant native to South America that has been used for centuries as a sweetener and medicinal herb. The leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant contain compounds called steviol glycosides, which are responsible for its sweet taste. These compounds are up to 300 times sweeter than sugar, which means that only a small amount of stevia is needed to achieve the same level of sweetness as sugar. Additionally, stevia has a negligible impact on blood sugar levels, making it a suitable option for diabetics and those looking to reduce their sugar intake. Is stevia bad for you? Debunking myths and misconceptions. There are several myths and misconceptions surrounding the use of stevia, but it is important to separate fact from fiction. One common myth is that stevia is bad for you because it is an artificial sweetener. However, stevia is a natural sweetener derived from a plant, not a synthetic chemical like other artificial sweeteners. Another misconception is that stevia causes cancer or other health issues. Extensive research has been conducted on stevia, and it has been deemed safe for consumption by regulatory authorities around the world, including the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and the European Food Safety Authority, EFSA. The health benefits of stevia. In addition to being a natural sweetener, stevia also offers several health benefits. Firstly, stevia does not contribute to tooth decay like sugar does. In fact, some studies have suggested that stevia may even help prevent cavities and reduce the growth of oral bacteria. Secondly, stevia has been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which may help protect against chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Lastly, stevia has the potential to aid in weight management as it provides sweetness without the added calories. Stevia as a natural alternative to sugar in beverages. One of the most popular uses of stevia is in beverages, where it serves as a natural alternative to sugar. Stevia is commonly used to sweeten tea, coffee, and other hot or cold drinks. It dissolves easily and does not leave a bitter aftertaste like some artificial sweeteners. Stevia is also used in the production of sodas and other carbonated beverages, providing a low-calorie option for those who want to enjoy a sweet drink without the guilt. Exploring different forms of stevia. Stevia leaf and stevia extract. Stevia is available in different forms, including stevia leaf and stevia extract. Stevia leaf is the least processed form of stevia and is often used in herbal teas and as a natural sweetener in cooking and baking. Stevia extract, on the other hand, is a highly purified form of stevia that contains the sweet compounds found in the plant. It is much sweeter than stevia leaf and is commonly used in commercial food and beverage products. Stevia in the food industry, its uses and benefits. Stevia has gained popularity in the food industry due to its many uses and benefits. It is used as a natural sweetener in a wide range of products, including yogurt, ice cream, baked goods, and condiments. Stevia not only provides sweetness but also helps to enhance the flavor of these foods without adding extra calories. Additionally, stevia has a longer shelf life compared to sugar, making it a practical choice for food manufacturers. Is stevia safe for everyone? Considerations and precautions. While stevia is generally considered safe for consumption, there are a few considerations and precautions to keep in mind. Some people may experience an allergic reaction to stevia, so it is important to monitor for any adverse effects after consuming stevia for the first time. Additionally, individuals with certain medical conditions, such as low blood pressure or kidney problems, should consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating stevia into their diet. It is also worth noting that stevia may interact with certain medications, so it is important to check with a doctor or pharmacist if you are taking any medications. The future of stevia, trends and developments. As more people become aware of the health risks associated with excessive sugar consumption, the demand for natural alternatives like stevia is expected to continue growing. In recent years, there has been a surge in the development of stevia-based products, including stevia-infused snacks, beverages, and even cosmetics. The future of stevia looks promising, with ongoing research and innovation focused on improving the taste, texture, and versatility of this natural sweetener. Conclusion: embracing stevia as a healthier choice. In conclusion, stevia offers a natural and healthier alternative to sugar. With its zero-calorie content, low impact on blood sugar levels, and numerous health benefits, stevia has gained recognition as a viable option for those looking to reduce their sugar intake or manage certain health conditions. Whether in beverages or food products, stevia provides sweetness without compromising taste or flavor. As the future of stevia continues to evolve, it is evident that this natural sweetener will play a significant role in the food industry and our quest for healthier choices. CTA, embrace the sweetness of stevia and take a step towards a healthier lifestyle. Try incorporating stevia into your favorite beverages and recipes today. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback.